Hello everyone and welcome to a new video where today I am going to teach you how to create and host a Kahoot game yourself. First of all, we obviously have to have the Kahoot application, and we are going to open it, and here we are going to start creating an account. If you don't have one, but if you already have one, you simply click Login. Here is what we'll do. We are going to enter your data. You can start the section with both Google, Microsoft, Apple, and all the options it gives us here. So I'm going to start this section and we continue with the video. Okay, so this is what you would see when you have just registered or started a section. And to create a Kahoot, all you have to do is click here if you see where it says Create Your Own, First Kahoot, or simply down here where it will always say create, you give it here to me. In my case, you have these aids here, but they are paid. So in my case, I am going to create it from scratch, blank A here. You can put an image, but I think that this option is paid if I'm not mistaken. Okay, you can put a free image. If not, you also have the gallery option that you put a photo that you have in your gallery. In my case, we are going to spend the free photo. I am going to put this same one as an example. We give it to save here. In title, we put the topic as an example. You have a few here for free, and these would already be paid. I'm going to put the winter one because that's why we're in winter. And we'll save it, and I'm going to put this in private since it's an example. I'm not interested in putting it in public. The private one is, well, if you have a class of students or you want to do it only with friends, but you can also make it public so that everyone can access your Kahoot. In my case, I am going to keep it private since it is an example, and here we click Add questions. Here we have several options. The only two would be free, those of kiss and true or false. So I'm going to choose one of these two. We're going to start with kiss for the example. And here we can put, for example, in what year was America discovered? Here we put several questions. 1900, that is several possible answers. 200, 2, 1, 5, 1, 2, and here in this one, for example, we are going to put the correct answer, which would be 1492A. And it is here, if you notice, we are going to mark it as the correct answer. We click on OK, and this would be in green, and this would be the correct answer. And now we are going to put one of the other types of questions. So we are going to put the true, false, and we are going to put, for example, here, the true was discovered by Christopher Columbus. And here, this would be the true, which is what we are going to mark as correct. And this would be the false as the true one that was discovered by Christopher Columbus. So we mark the answer true, and as the correct answer, we are going to leave these two as an example. We simply give it here, and we would click Save. We wait for it to load, and we would have our first Kahoot with two questions. What we have to do to air this, we click on the Kahoot, and here we can both play alone, which is a little sad, or Arlo. We give it to host, and we have here several options. The most common is host live, which in live, so you can play live, wait for it to load, and click here in classic mode, click start, and it will start loading. And here it will show you the pin. It should be said that the screen where you click on host is the one where you're going to see the questions and so on. So I recommend that it be a big screen, like a computer, television, etc., since, for example, on a mobile phone like I'm doing, it would look quite small here, as you can see. The code will appear on my mobile phone, the PIN code that the other players would have to put on their mobile phone in order to play, and once all the players understand it, you simply go here where it says Start. As you can see there, you simply click Start and it will begin. The game and the screens will appear on the device on which you have given host, and on the other the possible answers would appear. So with this video, I hope I have helped you. and see you in the next one.